Good morning, students of grade 5th. Myself, Bhagwati Prajapat, and I am your maths teacher. We are doing study Cordova Mathematics of grade 5. We are doing chapter 6 Factors and Multiples. Now, today we will start a new topic HCF. New topic is HCF. What is the mean of HCF? HCF, highest common factor. That means we have to find out the highest common factor. We have two methods of this. We have two methods of highest common factor. This first is prime factorization method. We already study about prime factorization method. That means what is the mean of prime factorization. In activity 2 we already study about this long division method. Long division method. So let's start. After highest common factor HCF, we will study about least common multiple. Least common multiple. Short form is LCM. Short form is LCM. But today only we study about HCF. Okay students, so let's start with examples. First example we have for prime factorization method of HCF. Find the HCF of 18 and 42. 18 and 42. We know that how we find out the prime factorization method. Okay, so we are doing that. First we have to find out the prime factorization of 18 and second we have to find out the prime factorization of 12. First we will divide in 18 with smallest number. We have two smallest number. Can we divide in 18? Yes, by 2. 2 9 ja 18. Okay, next again we will divide in what number we have to take to divide 9? Can we take 2? No. Can we take 3? Yes, we can take 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. We already study this method in activity 2. So you all know about this. Okay. Next we have 12. 2 6 are 12 and can we divide by 2? Yes, we can divide by 2 or 3 both numbers, but we will divide with smaller number. Okay, 2 is smaller number. 2 3s are 6. Okay, next 3 1s are 3. So common factors, these are factors. Factors of 18 are 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. These all are factors. These all are factors. And why we call this method to prime factorization method? Because all these numbers are prime numbers. All these numbers are prime numbers. That's why we call this method prime factorization method. Next, factors of 12 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Okay, now we have to find out common factor. First of all, we solve this common factor. Now find out the common factor. Which numbers are similar in both? Yes, we have similar 2. Okay, next 2 we have in this? No. 3. 3 and 3 don't have another number in this, and 2 also we don't have in this number. So we have common factors. We have common factors of 18 and 12 are common factors are 2 and 3, and we have to find out the HCF, highest common factor. To find out highest common factor, we have to multiply both common factors. These are common factors because we have 2 in this and in this also 3 we have, but 3 only we have 1 3. So these are factors, okay, and both are common factor. 2 and 3 are common factor and we have to find out the HCF, highest common factor. So to find out the highest common factor, we will multiply 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Find the product. 2 3s are 6. So HCF of 18 and 12 is 6. This one is highest common factor. That means HCF. Okay students. Next we have second method is long division method. Second method is long division method. So let's find out the long division method. You know very well what is the meaning of division. So in this question also we will divide. We all know that what is the meaning of division. So in this question, in this method also we will divide. So let's divide 144. We will divide with smaller number to greatest number. We know. Okay. So 144 we have and 216. 144 divide by 216. Okay. So we will divide how many time? One time. 144. Now what is the remainder? 2. 6 minus 4. 2. 11 minus 4. 7. And 2 minus 1. 1. We give a carry to this. So we have here only 1. 1 minus 1. We got 0. Okay. Next again we will divide. Now we have 72 as remainder and 144 is divisor. Now 72 will become divisor and 144 will become dividend. Okay students. So remainder will become in next step divisor and divisor will become dividend. So 72 divided by 144. We have shortcut method to divide. Okay, we will speak table of 70. 71 is 70, 72 is 140. Okay, so we will divide 2 times and 2 we have more. So 2 2s are 4 or 14. Next, now we don't have any remainder here. So we got the HCF, highest common factor. So HCF of 144 and 216 is 72. This one will become HCF. The final answer after remainder 0, we got the highest common factor. So in this question we have 72 is our HCF. Okay students. Now activity 3 we will do